Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Technik 25 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Cortina white, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car has done 24,555 miles. To the side of the car's profile standing on 15-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery. And behind the wheel we have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with driver select to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio station to sing along to. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected on the go with the 12V and 2 USB charging ports. Finished off with the all-important manual gearbox and the handbrake with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.